Maintaining a high-end home requires the right tools for immediate cleanup. The Shark OneVac is an ultra-lightweight, high-performance handheld vacuum designed for rapid, on-the-spot maintenance. Weighing just over 1 pound, it delivers professional-grade suction in a sleek frame that looks great on any countertop. Its high-speed, brushless motor handles kitchen spills, pet hair, and upholstery grit in seconds, while the one-touch empty system keeps your hands clean. It's a smart investment that preserves your furniture and vehicle interiors, paying for itself by making elite home maintenance effortless.
After a long day of high-focus work or home projects, tension often settles right in your neck and shoulders. The Sunbeam Renew Heated Wrap provides professional-grade heat therapy designed specifically to contour to your upper back and neck. Featuring 4 heat settings and a weighted edge for a secure fit, it delivers consistent, soothing relief that relaxes tight muscles and boosts circulation. The soft micromink fabric is fully machine washable, ensuring long-term durability for daily use. It's a high-value investment in your daily comfort, paying for itself by reducing the need for expensive physical therapy or massage appointments.
When it comes to your family's health, accuracy and speed are non-negotiable. The Good Baby Touchless Thermometer provides clinical-grade temperature readings in just 1 second without any physical contact. Using advanced infrared technology, it features a high-definition LED display that is easy to read in any light and a silent mode for monitoring while others rest. It's a smart, low-cost investment that acts as your first line of defense, potentially saving you from expensive, unnecessary doctor visits by providing instant, reliable data from the comfort of home.
Managing chronic pain shouldn't require constant, expensive trips to the clinic. The TENS 7000 is a professional-grade digital muscle stimulator that delivers clinical-strength pain relief right at home. Featuring dual channels and 5 powerful treatment modes, it allows you to target specific areas, like the lower back, shoulders, or joints, with medical-grade precision. It's a high-value investment in your physical recovery, paying for itself by eliminating the recurring costs of physical therapy and prescription refills. For the price of a single copay, you get an unlimited drug-free solution for effective pain management.
Peak physical and mental performance starts with superior hydration. The Hydro Original Hydrogen Water Bottle uses advanced electrolysis to infuse your drinking water with molecular hydrogen, a powerful antioxidant that targets inflammation and boosts cellular energy. Perfect for post-workout recovery or long days in the shop, it helps reduce muscle fatigue and oxidative stress with the push of a button. It's a high-value investment in your long-term wellness, providing the same benefits as expensive specialty bottled waters for a fraction of the cost.
Maintaining a professional standard of hygiene at home starts with the right equipment. The Simple Human touch-free sensor pump delivers a precise, clog-proof flow of soap in just a fraction of a second. Its unique variable dispense feature allows you to control the volume by hand placement, effectively eliminating soap waste and messy drips. This rechargeable, waterproof unit stays powered for 3 months on a single charge. It's a high-value investment that preserves your fixtures and slashes your recurring supply costs through precision control.
Taking control of your home maintenance requires professional-grade power. This DeWalt 20-volt Max Combo Kit provides the 2 most essential tools for any project: a high-speed drill driver and a heavy-duty impact driver. Built with ergonomic designs for tight spaces and LED work lights for precision, these tools deliver the torque needed for everything from furniture assembly to structural repairs. It's a high-value investment that pays for itself on the very first job, giving you the professional capability to eliminate expensive contractor fees and handle your own home improvements with total confidence.
Maintaining a safe home environment shouldn't require expensive permanent renovations. The Taily Suction Grab Bars offer professional-grade stability with a tool-free installation that protects your bathroom tile from damage. Using a powerful vacuum suction system with a clear red-to-green safety indicator, These bars provide a secure, non-slip grip exactly where you need it. It's a high-value investment in injury prevention, paying for itself by providing the peace of mind and stability needed to navigate wet surfaces safely without the need for a contractor.
Efficient meal prep is the key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and the Fullstar vegetable chopper is designed to slash your kitchen labor in half. Featuring 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it allows you to chop, dice, and spiralize with professional-grade precision in a single motion. The integrated catch tray keeps your workspace clean, while the ergonomic design eliminates the hand fatigue of manual knife work. It's a high-value investment that pays for itself by allowing you to skip expensive pre-cut produce and prepare fresh, whole foods with total speed and safety.
Maintaining a beautiful landscape shouldn't come at the cost of your physical health. The KVR Garden Kneeler and Seat provides a professional-grade solution for protecting your joints during outdoor projects. Featuring a thick EVA foam pad and a heavy-duty steel frame, it functions as a comfortable kneeler with sturdy side rails to assist you in standing up safely. Flip it over, and it becomes a stable bench for pruning or potting. It's a high-value investment that prevents long-term joint strain and keeps you productive in the garden for years to come.
Your hands are your most valuable tools, and protecting them from the strain of daily labor is essential for long-term productivity. The Comfire cordless hand massager combines air compression and soothing heat to relieve stiffness, improve circulation, and soothe joint pain. With 3 specialized pressure modes and intensity levels, it targets the palm and fingers to flush out fatigue after a long day of work. It's a high-value investment in your physical longevity, providing professional-grade therapy at home and ensuring you maintain the dexterity needed for your next big project.
Maintaining pristine hard floors shouldn't require double the effort. The SharkVac Mop Pro is a high-performance cordless system that vacuums and mops simultaneously. It uses powerful suction to lock away dry debris inside a disposable pad, while the integrated spray mop handles stubborn, stuck-on grime in a single pass. Featuring magnetic charging and LED headlights, it's designed to simplify your maintenance routine. It's a smart investment that slashes your cleaning time and protects your home surfaces with professional-grade efficiency. Maintaining a youthful appearance often starts with your hair, but professional laser treatments at a clinic can be incredibly expensive and time-consuming. The iRestore laser cap brings that same clinical strength technology directly into your home. This FDA-cleared device uses a combination of medical-grade lasers and LEDs to stimulate hair follicles, promoting thicker and fuller growth for both men and women. It's completely hands-free and non-invasive. You simply wear the helmet for 25 minutes while you relax or watch TV. For anyone looking to combat thinning hair without the recurring costs of salon visits or harsh chemicals, this is a one-time investment that helps you restore your confidence and your hair's natural vitality.